Hey guys, I got this Castile soap in the mail. I thought I'd give it a shot. It was a really great price for a gallon. It's peppermint and it's just straight Castile soap. So I'm gonna open this up and give it a shot. I'm coming from Dr. Bronner's and Adams handmade soap. You know, I started on the Bronner's, which is great. I mean, you can't go wrong. And then I went to Adams, both peppermint. Adams is great. It's a little thicker. It has a different peppermint smell. It's cheaper than the Bronner's. And so now I'm down to this one, which is even cheaper. I think this is 30 bucks. No parabens, no palm oil, not tested on animals. So all things we like here. So you get a pump, which is nice. Seems very thick, so let's get this into the bathroom. All right, so we washed the bottle off, and let's check it out here. It's very thick. Trying to give it a couple mixes and then smell it, test the lather. It's got an interesting smell. It's definitely not like Dr. Bronner's, and it's not like Adams. Let's see a little bit here. Okay, do warm water. It's got a decent enough lather. I'm happy with it. It's nice and clean. I mean, I wish it had more of a minty smell. Not sure exactly what they're using here. Let's see. Here are the ingredients. So I think I can definitely smell the shea butter and maybe the chamomile. I think that's what I'm seeing. It's made in Greece. I wish it was a little more minty, but what can you do? It works. It's soap. So you get a whole gallon, 30 bucks. Check out the links and pick some up. Nice and thick. Hope that helps. See ya.